Welcome to English Book Channel. For today's episode, you listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly. And today we're doing something special. It's your shadowing practice challenge, a chance to speak out loud, build confidence, and improve your English with me step by step. So how was your day? Did anything make you smile? Did you learn something new in the last video? If you did, amazing. I'm proud of you. If not, don't worry. You're here now and that's what matters. Now let's be honest for a moment. Just listening to English is not enough. If you want to speak better English, then you must speak, and speak. But how do you start? Sometimes it feels scary or confusing, or you're just not sure what to say. That's where shadowing comes in. Shadowing means you listen, you repeat, you copy how I speak, the sounds, the rhythm, the music of the sentence. It's not about being perfect. It's about getting used to the feeling of speaking English with your voice, your mouth, your breath. Even if you speak slowly, that's okay. Even if you make mistakes, that's even better. Mistakes mean you're learning. Remember this. It's not how much you study, it's how often. 5 minutes a day is better than 1 hour once a week. So if you're here with me now, you're already achieving. Today we will practice 30 simple sentences. You will hear me say them slowly and clearly. There will be a pause. And that's your time to repeat after me. Just follow the subtitles on the screen. Watch for the highlighted words, they'll guide you. And speak out loud, yes, even if it feels strange at first. This practice is perfect for the early stages of your English journey. Don't try to do too much. Don't overwhelm your mind. Start small but be consistent. So, are you ready? Let's warm up those English muscles and speak together. Let's begin your shadowing challenge. Welcome again to this shadowing English speaking practice. My name is Jenny, and I absolutely love teaching English. Now, you might be wondering, why shadowing? Great questions. Let's talk about it. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your speaking, listening, and pronunciation, all at the same time. When you shadow, you don't just listen to English, you copy it. You hear the words, and then you say them just like an echo. It helps your mouth get used to English sounds. It helps your brain get used to English sentence patterns. And slowly with time, you begin to sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent. English learning part, well, that's just my accent. It's clear, soft, and easy to follow. But remember, whether it's British, American, or Australian English, the goal is the same: to help you understand and speak confidently. So don't worry about the accent too much. Focus on the rhythm, the stress, the music of the sentence. Listen carefully, then speak clearly. With me. And don't worry if it's not perfect. You're learning, you're showing up. This is day 1 of your English speaking challenge. You can do that, right? Of course you can. Here are the instructions. Super simple. I will say a sentence. You listen. Then you repeat after me. You can pause the video and practice again. Follow the subtitles on the screen. Look at the highlighted words. Feel the rhythm. Hear the sound. Speak with me. That's it. And don't worry. We'll take it step by step. Let's begin. Excellent. Great. You're doing great. Wonderful. Let's continue. Brilliant. Don't give up. Now let's take things up a tiny notch. Just a little. Let's try some slightly longer sentences, okay? My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. I am not giving up. I am growing. I am not giving up. I am growing. I am not giving up. I am growing. Brilliant. My journey is beautiful, even if it's slow. My journey is beautiful, even if it's slow. My journey is beautiful, even if it's slow. I speak English to express, not to be perfect. I speak English to express, not to be perfect. I speak English to express, not to be perfect. I am building my confidence one word at a time. I am building my confidence one word at a time. I am building my confidence one word at a time. I am getting better with every practice. I am getting better with every practice. I'm getting better with every practice. Wonderful. Let's continue. Don't give up. I can understand more than I think. I can understand more than I think. I can understand more than I think. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. I show up even when it feels hard. I show up even when it feels hard. Every mistake helps me learn something new. Every mistake helps me learn something new. Wow, you have completed 20 sentences with me. That's incredible. Really give yourself a big smile. You deserve it. You're showing up, putting in the work. And that's how progress happens. You're doing awesome. So, ready for more? Let's complete 10 more sentences for your shadowing English speaking practice. I am so excited for you, truly. Day 1 of your challenge is already looking powerful and full of good energy. Let's keep that momentum going. Take a sip of water if you need to. Stretch a little. And when you're ready, let's dive into the next 10 sentences. Let's begin. Every day, I am becoming more confident in English. Every day, I'm becoming more confident in English. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. Wonderful. Let's keep going. English is not hard. It's just new. English is not hard. It's just new. I learn something new every time I try. I learn something new every time I try. I am building strong English habits today. I am building strong English habits today. My English gets better with every word I say. My English gets better with every word I say. Awesome. Even small practice makes a big difference. Even small practice makes a big difference. Wow. Let's do 2 more together. I am patient with myself and my progress. I am patient with myself and my progress. This is just the beginning of my English success. This is just the beginning of my English success. Good job. We've just completed 30 sentences together in your shadowing English speaking practice. Did you enjoy this challenge? I hope you did, because you really showed up for yourself today. Now remember, it's not about being perfect, not at all. It's about showing up, trying, and speaking with me, even if it's just for a few minutes. You've completed day 1 of your shadowing challenge. That's something to feel really proud of. Well done, truly. And hey, if you ever feel stuck or unsure, come back to this video and practice again. It's here for you. Every time you repeat, you get just a little stronger. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and know that I'm really, really proud of you. You can do this. See you tomorrow.